Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Food Bites apps inside. Today we need to developing this here the top search bars and sections bars we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this here the designs. We need to look like this here the search filters we need to draw here the this UI, and then after we need to creating this here the sections common row we need to draw here. Let's start how to write down inside the flutters. First of all, we need to create here the home tabs. We need to develop here, create here the new files, and to set here the name home tab screen dot like this. Write down here. Create here the stateful widgets, and to give this here the name home tab screens, and we need to set this here the import here the material dependency. Now we need to creating here the scaffold like here. Create here the body, and we need to create here the column like this sets. Now we need to set here the background colors. Need to check here for this XD file. No need to set plain whites. Now first of all, making here the containers. Need to develop here like here, and then after create here the decorations, box decorations. Set here color white like this set here. Now then after we need to set here the box shadow. Set here color black 12, and blur radius we need to set here the 1, and then afterwards we need to set here the border radius. Circulars we need to set this here the pi, like here the configurations we need to set here. Now this is the creating here the controls. We need to temporarily need to set this here the fixed height, so we need to configure here, so we need to set here for only UIUX, and we need to create here the child, create here the row child here. Now use this here the home tab, so need to imports inside the main tab view. First containers means here the home tabs. Need to change here home tab screen and set here the const value. Now need to save here, and also need to save here, and look like this here the showing here, and make sure so need to set here wrap with widgets save area like here the making, and we need to configure here the padding const edges inset symmetric, horizontals verticals we need to set here the 8, and horizontals we need to configure this here the 20 like here. So maybe needs here every place we need to set here the 13, that's one to set here the 13s, and look like this here the show. Now const value like here, proceed, set here the true blur radius, increase this here, and creating like this here the show, maybe decrease this here, set here 20. Now display good here. Now this row are the sets, maybe need to creating here the text fields, need to make here text field is good, need to remove here the row text field, set here the decorations, box decorations, not box decoration, input decoration, set here the enable border, input border we need to set here none, need to copy against, and we need to paste here the focused border none like set here, and we need to set here the prefix icon, set here icon not icons, image assets, and now need to go put here the filters icons and search icons import. Now need to go here, copy relative path, and need to set here paste. Give this here the width and heights. Also need to configure this here the 20. If you need here change, then to change. Set here the width as a covers. Need to set, and we need to set this here the dance. Save here and look like this here the show. Maybe make mistake. Create here the center. Set containers alignment. Set here the dot center like here. Give this here the width. Need to set this here the 40. Maybe increase here 50. Now display goods for this icon. Now need to set here another field. Need to set this here the in text. Set here find restaurant like here. Set here the style int style textile. Set here colors. Need to set this here the secondary text t color. Secondary text. Set here the font. Maybe use this here the placeholder colors is good. Font size. Need to set here the 15 and save here and look like this here the showing for these restaurants. And make sure so need to set here the context padding. Need to set here the const edges inset symmetric verticals. Need to set this here the 15s and so like this here. And also need to remove here the fixed sides. Remove here. I need to increase this here to 20 and show like here similar to designs we need to making here. Now another buttons we need to develop here for the suffix icons. Set here's icon button on press event. Set here the image set. We need to set here the icon name. Need to use this here the filter icons. We need to copy relative path and need to paste this here. Now we need to set here the width. We need to set this here the 20 and height also. Set here the 20. Look like this here the setting for these buttons. Save here and to setting this here the filter buttons now configures are the done here and this UI are the making are the done. Now we need to convert into this bars. We need to into the convert into the common buttons, common widgets. Now need to copy these widgets and we need to go here the common widget folders. Create here the search bar view dot search bar view dots like this. Create here the statlet widgets and we need to set this here the name search bar and create here the final text editing controllers. Need to set here the controller like here and optional. Need to set here optional. Then after need to set this here the hint text. We need to first of all the paste this here like this code and to use this here the hint text copy here set here the string like here. Set here we need to set here the right action button widgets. Maybe right icons is good. string right action icon set here's final void callback on right action like here right down here's and like here to configure here's input this here's these parameters set here the controllers pass here the controller parameters then after need to set here the hint text input this color extensions give this here the hint text then after the right action icons names you need to pass here and action event also need to configure here this button actions save here and now need to copy here's maybe typo need to fix this here search need to fix this typo copy here paste this here like here's also here rename this file and save now we need to go inside the home and we need to create here search bar view and we need to set here the hint text now need to copy here find restaurant then after set here the icon filter icon set here on action save here and like this setting here now we need to create here the sections we need to develop here the section UI now we need to go here this view set here the section maybe set here wrap widgets and to create here the scroll view single child scroll view configures then after we need to creating here the another's UI create here the row childs set here the text like here's and we need to set here the main axis element set here the space between set here the titles trending the restaurant set here the style text styles set here the color t color primary colors primary text set here the font size 17 and font weight bold we need to set here the semi bold 600 like this configures for the sections like here and show like this here we need to create inside the size box maybe convert into the containers we need to set here the margin cost edges insert symmetric we need to give this here the horizontal 20 and verticals need to set this here the 8 show like here's maybe increase here's 15 look like this show now another buttons we need to develop text button on press event set here the text we need to copy here paste this here now need to change this here the font size we need to set here the 15 and we need to button names we need to set this here the see all and give this here the value search results. Now need to set here the placeholder colors. So like here for this UI, maybe decrease here, set here 13, and similar to designs. Need to create here the action bars. Now need to convert into the common action bars. Need to cut this code. Go inside the common widgets. We need to creating here the name section bar dot, and we need to create here the stateful widget, stateless widgets, section bar and we need to create import here material dependency, paste this code, import here the color extensions, and to declare here some variables need to set here the string title final, and need to action title and final void callback on press event for this action buttons. Import this here, this whole thing at this form. Action title is not required. Need to set this here the see all like this sets. Set here the titles here. Give this here the on press event here and set here the title. Set here. Now need to save this here. Use this here the section bars inside the home tabs. Need to paste here these containers widgets. Set here the titles trending restaurant on press event. Set here and action titles also need to set this here the C all and brackets inside with this here the value 45. Remove these years. Now no need these years. We need to create here the on widgets. We need to developing the done years. Now this need to making here this UI. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.